Right? For number 3, it says, which point lies on the line defined by negative 8x minus 4y equals 2? So first, if you remember, every point on a line or point on a graph, that is the same thing or equivalent to saying which is a solution. Right? So now that we remember that points on lines are all solutions, all we have to do is start substituting our x's and our y's to make sure that we can find which one is an actual solution. So we can just start off with a, sub it in, and then see if does it equal 2. So I'll try this one. Negative 8 times x minus 4 times y, so I'll leave spaces for x and y, is equal to 2. And let's see what happens. So here I'm going to take my x of 1/4, my y of negative 1, and plugging that in, let's see. So here, whenever we're multiplying, we could just multiply the top divided by the bottom. So negative 8 times 1 is negative 8, divided by 4 is 2. Negative 4 times negative 1 is, whoops, this is negative. And negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4, is equal to 2. And let's see, 4 plus negative 2, those are different signs, so we subtract. And we get 2 equals 2, which is already our solution. So we don't have to necessarily check all the other ones, but it would be good to check some of the other ones just to make sure we actually didn't make a mistake. So I'll just check one more, but we already have our answer. So I'm going to try this one now, where negative 1/4 is being plugged in, and negative 1 for y. So if I try that one, so I'm going to get negative 8 times x minus 4 times y equals 2. And this time I'll plug in negative 1/4 and negative 1. So if I did those, here I'm going to get positive 2. Here I get positive 4, since we have 2 negatives, and same thing here, 2 negatives, they become positive. And last I get 6 equals 2, which we see is not true. So this would not be a point on the line. And you will find that if you do the same thing for C and D, it will not be a point on the line.